Hello students, in this video we will discuss the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with the conducting slab between the plates. So let you have a parallel plate capacitor here and a battery is attached with it. So battery is supplying the charge to it and let this plate acquire the positive charge, and due to induction here negative charge will come. So now you have to introduce a conducting slab. So let this be a conducting slab here. So due to induction here negative charge will appear, and in this way positive charge will appear on this side. This is the conducting slab. Conductor have the free electrons, and we have studied that electric field inside the conductor is zero. You can watch the earlier videos. They prove that electric field inside the conductor is zero, and let the applied electric field is E naught. So write down the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when vacuum is between the plates. C equal to epsilon 0 A upon D. C naught, let it be C naught, equation number 1. Now you have introduced a conducting slab, so let its thickness be T here, and the separation between the plates of capacitor be D. So let a conducting slab of thickness T less than D is inserted in between the plates. So now what will happen? We have to find the potential. So as we already discussed in the earlier video, V equal to what? ED, yani electric field into distance. So V equal to, inside the conducting plate the electric field is 0. So 0 into T, this will become 0. 0 into T plus, now electric field is what? Applied electric field is E naught. E naught into, what is the space left? This one. Total distance was D and minus what? T. So E naught D minus T. So V equal to E naught D minus T. E naught, that is the electric field between the plates of capacitor. We know electric field between the plates of capacitor is what? Sigma upon epsilon 0, and sigma is what? Charge per unit area. So put this value here. So V equal to Q upon A epsilon 0 D minus T. Now we have found the potential. Let it be question number 2 here. So now capacitance. Now capacitance is the ratio of charge given over potential raised. So Q upon V, we put the value of V, Q upon AE epsilon 0 into D minus T. So this Q will cancelled out, this one, and you are left only with AE epsilon 0 upon D minus T. So capacitance is equal to A epsilon 0 D minus T. Take D common here. A epsilon 0. If D is taken out, here it is 1 minus T upon D. Now remember, what is this? Epsilon 0 A upon D. Epsilon 0 A upon D is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor when vacuum is between the plates, right? So replace this here. So C equal to C naught upon 1 minus T upon D. So this is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when conducting slab is inserted. So now what do we observe? इलैक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंक्रीज होंदी है या डिक्रीज होंदी है? इलैक्ट्रिक फील्ड जी हैगी कंडक्टिंग स्लैब ਨੂੰ इंट्रोड्यूस करने पे इंक्रीज करेगी. Why it will increase? You know, T is always less than D. T mean the thickness of the conducting slab. T is the thickness and D is the distance between the plate. So T is less than D, right? So if T is less than D, suppose T is 2 and D is 3. So this value T upon D will be less than 1, right? So 1 minus something, that is 0. It will come 0.0 something, right? So if you multiply with this one, it will come some point here, multiplying factor. So you will see that capacitance will increase. Now suppose conducting slab wholly fills the space between the plates of capacitor. So wholly fills the space means to say जी थिकनेस है ये कि बराबर हो जाएगी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स के बराबर. सो T इक्वल टू D. So in this case T equal to D. So if T equal to D, C equal to what? C naught upon 1 minus D upon D. C naught 1 minus D upon D. Cancelled out, what is left? 1. So C naught upon 1 minus 1, 0. So C equal to infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So it means capacitance of parallel plate capacitor becomes infinity when conducting slab is fully fills the space between the parallel plate capacitor. So you can prove it now that capacitance of parallel plate capacitor increases when conducting slab is introduced. So thank you very much. In the next video we will start our new unit, that is current electricity.